Welcome back. It is now time to sign the 2026-2027 housing contract. The contract can be found under My Housing. Find the purple button on the left-hand side of the screen that reads Housing Contracts. The 2026-27 contract is required for all new students and new bridge students. The welcome page of the contract will prepare you for what to expect while completing the contract. You will be required to pay a one-time, non-refundable contract fee of $150, so make sure you have a credit card ready. Also, have your CUID number on hand. While parents are welcome to assist their student, we encourage all students to complete the housing contract themselves. The next page includes Clemson Homes rules and regulations, housing and dining contracts, and addendum. You can print or save a copy of this PDF to your computer so that you can reference later. We encourage you to save these, but they are also available on the Clemson Homes website at all times. Once all contractual terms have been read, the Sign button at the top of the screen will take you to each place that requires a signature. Once all signatures have been completed, press Save and Continue. The next part of the housing contract is the payment page. You will need to have your credit card ready and will pay a $150 non-refundable contract fee. Please make sure your payment is fully processed before you go to the next page. The new student records page will already have some of your information populated. If this information is incorrect, please contact the undergraduate admissions office in order to have it corrected. At the bottom of the page, you can indicate if you require any housing accommodations due to a documented disability. Once this page has been updated, click Save and Continue. The next page in the contract allows you to opt in to receive text message notifications regarding housing. Your contact information is required, but you can opt out of receiving text messages if you choose to do so. You also have the ability to add a family member's email address. As a new student, you're required to purchase an unlimited meal plan and will automatically have the unlimited plus 200 plan added as a default. If you are a bridge student, the Bridge Block 100 is the minimum plan required. You will only see meal plans that you were able to select from, so do not worry if your selection looks different than mine. If you are a new student and did not see this page in the housing contract, please make meal plan changes under My Dining. Make sure your changes are complete by August. The lifestyle questions page might be one of the most important pages in our housing contract process. How you answer these questions is going to assist you in finding roommates, so it is important to answer all questions honestly. Once the lifestyle questions have been answered, you have completed all required steps of the housing contract until community choice selection and roommate matching opens on March 9th. To prepare for March 9th, you may review the available community options and learn more about each LLC. Bridge to Clemson students are not eligible to select an LLC. We hope that you have found this video helpful. Remember to log back into your portal starting on March 9th to review your community choice options and begin your roommate search.